Welcome back to Mrs. India Worldwide, where the ladies look dazzling in Reethi Arneja's designs. The contestants quite clearly love the flair that the attire adds to their look. The collection is unique and a creative blend of the traditional and the contemporary, quite like the women who wear Arneja's creations.
Question is, keep in mind a cause, what will you do after winning a crown? I'll give you a timer. I'll repeat a question. Keep in mind a cause, what will you do after winning a crown? And your time starts now. Last few seconds to go. Last 30 seconds. Last 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Pens down. All right, so we'll start.
I am contestant number 12, Mukta. I would like to prove the title Beauty with a Cause. I would like to stress on child education. And it is said, if you educate a man, you educate a person. But if you educate a woman, you educate a generation. Thank you.
I am contestant number 7. Being an educator, I will bring education and promote it widely and try and eradicate begging from our country.
Good evening, judges. I would like to spread awareness about the girl child and equal opportunities for them as boys. Thank you.
I promise you 100% of money, whatever I will earn after that from today, will go in charity for children cause. Thank you.
Winning the crown will be a stepping stone for me to work for the upliftment of downtrodden women who suffered heinous crimes like acid attacks, rapes, and home violence.
Thank you so much.
They all were so intelligent, and the competition was so tough. Everybody was so good, and the answers were good. They were beautiful. Everybody was so good.
Through their Mrs. India Worldwide journey, contestants have been judged on many parameters, and there are several titles to be awarded this evening.
We have done auditions all across the country. We selected 32 contestants, then we did 10 days of grooming. We had all the experts in different fields. We groomed them for 10 days, and after grooming for 10 days, we put up the final event.
Dr. Shivangi Malathia is declared the most photogenic lady. While it's Mrs. Rashmi Amitabh Shah who wins the title of Mrs. Beautiful Smile.
Mrs. Beautiful Skin goes to Mrs. Swati Sharma with a big round of applause.
Unanimously, Mrs. Ramandeep is chosen as Mrs. Popular. Mrs. Neelam Garg is adjudged Mrs. Beautiful Body. Mrs. Mukta Chopra wins the title of Beautiful Eyes. And it's Mrs. Shivangi's Beautiful Legs that win her the aptly named title. Mrs. Sumati's gorgeous locks truly deserve the Mrs. Beautiful Hair title. It is for her poise and carriage that Mrs. Ruchi is chosen as Mrs. Catwalk. The title of Mrs. Talented is shared by Mrs. Devi and Mrs. Ragini. The second runner-up goes to Mrs. Rashmi Amitabh Shah.
Today I am a second runner-up of Mrs. India Worldwide 2014. So I'm so happy. NGO चलाती हूँ. It's already so much of famous NGO, but still मैं अहमदाबाद गुजरात को मैंने पूरा कवर किया है, but still मैं अपनी आवाज़ दुनिया में देश में हर जगह पहुँचाना चाहती हूँ. And आज की generation influence होती है glamour word से. So that's why I came here, so that I can use this platform to raise my voice, and that's it. I can inspire people and motivate to do work for children, work for society.
Absolutely fantastic. I mean, coming from England, it's been so professionally put together, and I've loved the whole team, and the contestants are absolutely beautiful.
Do you like Indian women?
Absolutely. To me, they're the most stunning, and they're blessed with the beautiful long hair, thick hair, and beautiful ladies. Absolutely, it's been so difficult this evening to judge.
Thank you so much. It means a lot for us.
The first runner-up for this year is Mrs. Shivangi Malathia.
I'm feeling very excited, happy, and then at the same moment I'm startled. I'm on cloud 9. The stage was full of zing. It was full of energy, which we could, grasp as contestants and then deliver our real selves. Hotmont, first of all, I would love to just thank them for giving me a platform to portray my inner self, my dreams, and so I thank them, and I tell them I appreciate this effort, that they should just continue with this pageant in the future also, and give women like us a chance to come forward and face the society in a very different manner.
And finally, the moment that everyone has been waiting for, the Hotmont Mrs. India Worldwide 2014, the gorgeous Mrs. Aman Grewal.
I'm the winner of Hotmont Mrs. India Worldwide 2014. I'm feeling on top of the world. It's a fantastic feeling. Absolutely great. This competition, the entire journey has been just fantabulous.
With the crowning of this year's Mrs. India Worldwide, the festivities have begun, and the magic of being on this platform will stay with the contestants for a very long time to come. It is time to bid farewell to this stage until next year, when the search for yet another Mrs. India Worldwide will begin anew.